अपना माना कैसी लगी लगन तुझसे.
Hi everyone, once again welcome back with another video of our channel. Here I'm your host Mr. Zereng. So today on this video we're going to discuss about the big breaking news of Mr. Rito Riba. He's a great singer from North India.
एक प्यार की कहानी. जे तेनू धूप लगे आवे तो मैं छाँव बन जावा. तेरी खुशियों के खातिर मैं सारे
वो ऑडिशन से लेके टॉप 14 तक पहुंच गया था. टॉप 14 पहुंचने के पहले he got eliminated or he got disqualified from the Indian Idol. So Rito Riba is one of the most popular singer and a great composer, and also he's one of the most popular in social media because of his audition. He did great in his audition, so we Norris and we whole India love him very much, and because of him we love to watch Indian Idol. So we want him to bring back in the show.
जे तेनू धूप लगे आवे तो मैं छाँव बन जावा. तेरी खुशियों के खातिर मैं सारे
अच्छा गाना आता है, अच्छा कंपोज करना आता है. Why और क्यों एलिमिनेट कर गया है इसको, वही क्वेश्चन मार्क था. इसका गाना सुनकर आप लोग को पता चला कि वो ग्रेट सिंगर हो, ग्रेट कंपोजर हो. We feel really sorry for him, and if you really want him to be in the show again, please do comment or do share your opinion in the comment section so that Rito Riba will be back again in the show. I hope, and then we'll be hoping for that. So thank you so much for watching this video.